What is a smart contract and how does it work? Smart contracts are programs run on a blockchain. They function as a digital agreement controlled by a certain set of rules. These rules are predefined by computer code, which is replicated and executed by all the nodes of a network. Smart contracts on blockchain make it possible to create trustless protocols. This means that two parties can be assured that if the conditions are not met, the contract will not be executed. In addition, the use of smart contracts can remove the need for intermediaries, significantly reducing operating costs. Smart contracts were first described in the 1990s by the computer scientist Nick Szabo. At the time, he defined the smart contract as a tool that formalizes and protects computer networks by combining protocols with user interfaces. Szabo talked about the potential use of smart contracts in various fields involving contractual agreements, such as credit card systems, payment processing, and content rights management. Although the Bitcoin protocol has supported smart contracts for many years, these have been popularized by the creator of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin. It is important to remember that each blockchain can have a different method for implementing smart contracts. How do they work? A smart contract works like a deterministic program, performing a particular operation if and when certain conditions are met. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between the buyer and the seller being directly written into the lines of code. Ethereum smart contracts are made up of a contract code and two public keys. The first public key is the one provided by the contract creator. The other key represents the contract itself, acting as a unique digital identifier for each smart contract. Main features of smart contracts. Distributed. Smart contracts are replicated and distributed in all nodes of the network. Deterministic. Smart contracts only perform the actions for which they were designed, and only when the requirements are met. Independent. Smart contracts can automate all sorts of operations, acting as self-executing programs. Immutable. Smart contracts cannot be changed once implemented. They can only be deleted if that particular function has previously been added. Trustless. Two or more parties can interact through smart contracts without knowing or trusting each other. Transparent. Since smart contracts are based on a public blockchain, their source code is visible to anyone. Smart contracts can be designed for a wide range of use cases. Examples include the creation of tokenized assets, voting systems, crypto wallets, decentralized exchanges, video games, and mobile applications. They can also be implemented together with other useful blockchain solutions in the healthcare, charity, logistics, chain, governance, and decentralized finance sectors. Do smart contracts make a system 100% secure? It depends. A smart contract is a computerized transaction protocol that executes the terms of a contract. It all depends on how the contract has been written. Smart contracts are computer code written by humans. This poses several risks, as the code is subject to vulnerabilities and bugs. Hence, they should only be written and implemented by experienced programmers, especially when they are going to handle sensitive information or large sums of money. In conclusion, if well planned, smart contracts can be a solution to process actions autonomously, cost-effective, and transparently, thus removing any possibility of manipulation.